beautiful girl has at least one problem. Someone thinks their cheeks are too chubby, someone dislikes their eyebrows, someone is unhappy with their nose, and someone is insecure about their face asymmetry. But in 90% of these cases, we worry for no reason. Others might actually love these features about us. After this video, you'll get bombarded with, "What did you do to change so much?" questions. I'm about to add even more beauty to your beauty. Subtle changes, uniqueness, and charm are the main trends of this era. I'll free you from your insecurities, from face shape to the tiniest details. We'll cover everything. If you're ready, let's start. 1. Face shape and massage. I don't think there's a single girl who hasn't pulled her cheeks back in the mirror at least once and thought, "I wish it stayed like this." Am I right? I think we've all done it. Everyone loves the lifted look, snatched cheeks and fox-like eyes. If you want to naturally sculpt your face, never part ways with face-lifting massages and a gua sha stone. Every morning and night, massage your face upwards. This reduces under-eye bags, improves blood circulation, and gives your skin a fresh glow.
Goodbye facial asymmetry.
You can even correct facial asymmetry. How? Just like I'm showing in this video. Did you know about the ice water trick? It's one of the secret beauty hacks of world-famous celebrities. Fill a bowl with ice cubes, add a bit of water, and dip your face in for a few seconds. This tightens pores, firms the skin, and gives an instant glow. Don't like cold water? No problem. Just put a spoon in the freezer, then massage your face with it. A chilled spoon reduces puffiness and instantly makes you look fresh. Additional hacks. Face taping. This was once a viral trend to prevent sagging and wrinkles. You can use it before bed to sculpt your cheeks. Face corset, a super trick for reducing a double chin and lifting the face. Use it consistently for the best results. Girls, there's one last thing. It's hilarious, but will completely transform you. Be patient and watch till the end. I see you trying to skip ahead. Don't do it. Stay patient. 2. Barbie nose, sculpting your nose. Even the prettiest nosed girl will still say she doesn't like her nose. It happens to almost everyone. But a bigger nose is not a problem. You can actually shape it with massage techniques. Nose massages reduce swelling around the nose, making it look smaller and more sculpted. Lightly press the sides of your nose with your fingers and massage upwards. If done regularly, it works. 3. Teeth. No matter what anyone says, your teeth completely change your face. How do I know? Don't ask. Because I recently fixed mine and my face looks so different. So much better. A bright smile instantly makes you more attractive. Yes, everyone brushes their teeth, but let's take this a bit more seriously. Electric toothbrushes clean better than regular ones. Oil pulling with coconut oil naturally whitens teeth and keeps your breath fresh. Floss plus mouthwash combo will give you that expensive look vibe. Remember, too much tea and coffee stain your teeth, so use a metal or bamboo straw to protect them. Imagine sipping your morning coffee through a straw. Such a cool girl aesthetic moment. 4. Skincare. Dewy glass skin lovers, come here. In 2025, glowy natural skin is back in style. The key now is healthy and hydrated skin. Let's not forget the essentials for your skin transformation: double cleansing, oil-based plus gel cleanser, removes all dirt and buildup from the day. Toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. Don't skip the layering technique. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, your skin's best friends. Do a peeling mask once a week. It removes dead skin, brightens your face, and makes your skin feel as soft as cotton. Literally baby skin. And don't forget sunscreen. Wrinkles and dark spots should be prevented now, not later. Oh, and apply it to your neck and hands too. They can give away your age. 5. Hair care, rich girl hair vibes. Hair is every girl's weak spot. One morning, I wake up with shiny, bouncy hair. The next, it looks lifeless. That's why I recommend being extra gentle with your hair. A girl's beauty shines through her well-maintained, luscious hair. When it's glossy, wavy, and silky, your whole look levels up. Girls, do an oil mask once a week. Coconut, argan, or castor oil, your choice. Just use whatever you have at home. Warm the oil slightly. Apply it only to the ends of your hair. Tie it up, leave it for a few hours, and then wash it out. Never brush wet hair. Water softens the hair roots, and brushing it wet will cause breakage. Let it dry first, then brush it from the ends upwards. After drying, apply a leave-in treatment. Any hair cream will do. For a natural look, braid it or use soft rollers for heatless waves. Rice water rinse. The secret to long Asian hair, a must-try. Apple cider vinegar for ultra-shiny, glossy hair. Before showering, mix 1 liter of water with a little apple cider vinegar and use it as a final rinse after washing your hair. And the latest hair trend, washing your scalp with a small brush. Try it once and you'll feel the deep clean immediately. Most importantly, wash your brushes and combs once a week. Most girls don't do this, but it's super important. Oils and dirt build up, and when you brush your fresh hair, it just goes back in. If you made it this far, drop a blue heart in the comments. That way, I'll know you're watching and loving the video. 6. Brows and lashes. Soft girl eyes. Brow lamination is super popular these days and really effective. But you don't have to follow every trend. The key is finding what suits you. Keep your brows natural and full, but style them every morning with brow gel or Vaseline. Don't have brow gel? Let me tell you a hack. Before buying, test if the fluffy brow look actually suits you. Dip a spoolie into soap, brush your brows up, and voila! Instant lamination effect. For long and thick lashes, use lash oils. I have a video on my channel, check it out. And remember, brown mascara gives a softer, more natural look compared to black mascara. But the choice is yours. Whatever suits you best. Bonus, don't follow trends blindly. If brow lamination doesn't match your face, you don't want to walk around looking like Angry Birds, right? In that case, just stick to your natural brows. 7. Lips. What's the secret to plump, glossy lips? Lip scrub, sugar plus honey mix. Hydrating balm, you can even use Vaseline. Light pink or nude gloss for a fuller and softer look. Want extra volume? Line your lips with a warm brown lip liner before applying gloss. Do you know the peppermint oil trick? Add 1 drop to your lip balm and your lips will instantly look plumper. Girls, when I was little, I once applied hot chili pepper to my lips. That memory just hit me. Do not do it. I spent the whole day cursing myself for that decision. 8. Animal type makeup. Remember when I mentioned something funny yet weirdly attractive? Well, here it is. Not a single day goes by without a new trend popping up. This time, it's matching your makeup to your animal type. Sounds ridiculous? Don't laugh, girls. This trend is going viral. First, take a test. Are you a tiger, a bunny, or a fox? Then, do your makeup accordingly. Soft bunny eyes for an innocent, wide-eyed look, fox-like eyeliner for a fierce gaze. Everything is possible. Trust me, the results are stunning. Watch the videos and you'll see what I mean. Girls, how are we feeling about the video? If you like it, share it with your friends and help me grow my channel. I know you'll help. Love you all. Now, back to the video. 9. Smelling good? Make it your signature. Expensive or cheap? It doesn't matter. The key is to smell fresh and amazing. A little perfume hack. Melt some Vaseline, spray your favorite perfume on it, and apply it to your wrists and neck. Your scent will last all day long. Honestly, scent is a person's biggest attraction. A girl who smells good is unforgettable. 10. Good posture equals sign, a more elegant look. Good posture makes you look taller and gives you a more confident appearance. Walking with slouched shoulders looks insecure and weak. Never forget this. Practice in front of a mirror. See how you hold yourself. Constantly remind yourself to keep your back straight. If you keep forgetting, stick tape on your shoulders. When you slouch, it will stretch and remind you. 11. Flat stomach. Vacuum method. No matter how slim you are, tight clothing can highlight a bloated stomach. Personally, it bothers me. But there's a solution. Do stomach vacuums on an empty stomach. The first day might feel a bit sore, but that's normal. Even throughout the day, do it whenever you remember. 12. Slightly lifted booty. Girls, a little lifted booty looks more attractive. Let's be real, we can't deny it. Do squats for just 10 minutes every day. The results will be insane, like you had a BBL. Seriously, try it and tell me your results in the comments. 13. Positive energy and high aura. No matter your face shape or body type, the most important thing is your energy. Always smile, because smiling is the best free beauty hack. Aura is everything for a woman. Apply perfume to your neck and pulse points. Let it last all day. Always stay confident, because real beauty comes from self-belief. Which one will you start with? What do you feel insecure about? Let's glow up together. Remember, you are beautiful in every way. Thank you for watching this far. Sending you lots of kisses. See you in the next video.